Okay. So what is meant by the solution, Aditi?
It is a mixture of a solute and a solvent.
Very good, Aditi. Okay, so actually solutions are nothing but mixture of components. Solutions are here. We have solutions are nothing but mixture of components. Okay, it is mixture of components. Mixture of components. Okay, so mixture of components means it contains more than one component is called as a mixture. Again, we have two types of the solutions. Solution is nothing but it is a mixture of components. Again, solutions are classified into how many types?
Saturated, unsaturated.
No, ma. Actually, solutions are classified into two types. So what are the two types of the solutions we are having means here? Homogeneous solutions.
Heterogeneous solutions.
Homogeneous solutions. And second one is heterogeneous solution. So what is the second one means here? Second one is heterogeneous solutions. Heterogeneous. Okay, heterogeneous solution. So one is the homogeneous solution, another one is heterogeneous solution. Homogeneous solution, heterogeneous solution. Okay. So in this first one, so homogeneous solution. So what is meant by the homogeneous solution, ma'am? So what are the examples of the homogeneous? First, I'll explain the examples for the homogeneous solution. What are the examples of the homogeneous solutions means here? So salt in water, and sugar in water. Okay, salt in water and sugar in water. Sugar in water. So these two are the best examples of the homogeneous solution. So what is the homogeneous solution means here? So when mixture one component is dissolved in another component. Okay, so it is not possible to separate the mixture of components into individual components is called as here homogeneous. And or simply what is the another definition we can give means here? So when the mixture of components they look like as a uniform here. Okay, the mixture of components are they look like as a uniformly means that we can call as a homogeneous solution. For example, if you dissolve the salt, actually if you see means salt and liquid. Salt is the solid substance. Salt is solid substance. So if you dissolve the salt in a water,
soluble solute.
it is completely soluble. After dissolving the salt, is any possibility is there to separate the salt and water, Aditi?
We can't separate them directly, but we can use evaporation or crystallization.
Very good, man. Evaporation or crystallization method here. So by using the physical methods, we can separate the components here. But one is mixed with the another one means it is not possible to separate. Similarly, sugar in water. If they dissolve the sugar in a water means is any possibilities that to separate? Okay, so sugar in water also it is not possible to separate. But by using the some other physical methods, either the evaporation method or crystallization method and all we can use to separate the sugar and water. Okay, but they look like as a uniform. We cannot see two different phases in a one mixture here. That's why this we can call as a homogeneous solution. And what is the another example of the heterogeneous solution? Heterogeneous solution means we can observe two
oil
different
and water.
Very what is the answer, ma?
Oil and water, sand and water.
Very good, Aditi. Oil and water. Okay, sand and water, sand and water, oil in water, oil in, sorry, this one, soil in water, soil in water. So that means rainwater, soil in water.
So we can say all the mixtures which can be separated by sedimentation or filtration
Yes.
are heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous. So which cannot be separated by the filtration method that we can call as a homogeneous solution. Okay. So which cannot be separated by the filtration method solutions is called as a homogeneous solution. So which can be separated by the sedimentation or filtration method means here that we can call as a heterogeneous solution. Okay, and oil and water means we can observe two physical phases here, two different phases. Okay, and in sand and water also we can observe the two different phases. At the same time, soil in water, rainwater, when it undergoes the sedimentation also, it forms as a two different phases. Okay, so that we can call as a heterogeneous solution. Okay, now actually, so we are studying about the solution. So in that one, in the 12th standard, we are going to study about the binary solution. So which solutions we are going to be studying here? We are going to study about here binary solutions. So what is meant by the binary solutions means here, the solution which contains two components is called as a binary solution. Okay, so we are going to study about here binary solution in a 12th standard. Sir, what is mean by the binary solution means here? The solution which contains two components is called as a binary solution. Okay, in this one. So first one is called as a solute. First one is called as a solute.
Other
Another one
is
is called
solvent.
as a solvent. Okay, so what is meant by the solute? What is meant by the solute, Aditi?
So the component which is dissolved into the solvent is a solute, and solvent is a component in which the solute is dissolved.
Okay, so you are telling that one definition. So what you are telling that means the substance which dissolves in another substance.
And so
Okay,
another definition of solute is the one which is in the least quantity, and solvent is the one which is in more quantity.
very good, Aditi. Okay, so here based on the solubility and based on the quantity also we can explain which one is the solute and which one is the solvent. Okay, so here, so based on the solubility means solute is nothing but the substance which dissolves in which dissolves in another substance. It dissolves in another substance. Another substance is called as a solute. Okay, so it's called solute. At the same time, if you see the quantity wise, so what is the another definition we can give means here the substance which is present in a lower quantity. Okay, the substance so which presents in low quantity so its low quantity is called as a solute. Okay, is called solute. So we have a two different definitions here. So one is called as a solute, here solute. So two different definitions. So based on the solubility, another one is the based on the quantity wise. The substance which is present in which dissolves in another substance is called as a solute. And what is meant by the solute means quantity wise. The substance which is present in a low quantity is called as a solute. And how we can define the solvent? Okay, so we can give the two definitions for the solvent also. Solvent also we can define here. So two times by here. Solvent. So how we can define the solvent means here the substance
In which the other component is being dissolved is solvent, or the substance which is in much larger quantity comparatively.
larger quantity is correct only. The substance which dissolves another substance. Another substance in it. Okay, itself if it is all the another substance in it is called solvent. Is called solvent. Okay, and what is the another definition we can give for the solvent means here the substance which is present in larger quantity. The substance so which is present in larger quantity. The substance which is present in the larger quantity is called as a solvent. Okay, so this is about the solute and solvent. So based on the solute and solvent, again solutions are classified into 9 types. Okay, so total how many types here? So based on the solute and solvent, you know what that one here. Okay, so based on solute and solvent, based on solute and solvent solutions are classified into 9 types based on solute and solvent solutions are classified into 9 types. How many types here? 9 types. Okay. Now, so let us see here. So what are the 9 types we are having means here? Just directly I'll try to go over here. So just hold on here. Now Aditi, so once you check it out here, so based on the solute and solvent, solutions are classified into how many types, Aditi? So total it is classified into 9 types. Okay, in this one, the first one is called as a solid solutions. Okay, first one is called as a solid solution. Sir, which we can call as a solid solution means here, so solvent it has to be solid. Okay, so which one here? Solid, it has to be solvent, and solute, it may be solid or liquid or gases here. Okay, solid or liquid or gases. Okay, but solvent, it has to be, okay, solid only. Now, that kind of solutions are we can call as a solid solution. So, for example, solid solution. So, what is the best example for the solid means here? Alloys. Okay, so alloys. What are the examples of the alloys means here? Bronze, brass is the best examples of the alloys. I think so you know about the bronze and brass also.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
we learned it in 10th.
Yes, Mahir. Okay. Now, solid and solid, because of two different metals are there. So what is mean the bronze and what is mean the brass means here? Okay. So bronze is nothing but it is having copper and zinc, and brass is containing copper and tin. It is there. Okay. So brass is the mixture of copper and tin, and bronze is contains the copper and zinc metal. It is there. Okay. So copper and zinc metal. That means copper also it is the zinc. Copper also it is the solid, and zinc metal also it is the solid. And similarly, brass also if you see means copper is the solid metal. Tin also it is the solid metal. Okay. Now in that one is it becomes as a solid. Okay. Solute. Solute also it is as a solid, and solvent also it is the solid means that mixture only we can call as a solid solution. What is the best example of the solid solutions means here? Alloys. Okay. Next, solvent in liquid and solid solutions. Second one is here liquid and solid solutions. Okay, so this one first one is here solid and liquid. Okay, and again, now if you see means here, so this what is the second one we are having means here liquid and solid solution. In liquid and solid solution, what is the solute and what is the solvent means liquid it becomes as a solute, and solid it becomes as a solvent. Okay, in liquid, in solids, what is the solute and what is the solvent means here? Solute is liquid and solvent is solid. That kind of solutions are we can call as a liquid in solid solutions. What is the best example of the liquid in solid solutions means here? Sodium amalgam. They had given us an amalgam. Sodium amalgam. Amalgam is nothing but it's
Mercury.
okay. And zinc amalgam. ZnHg. Okay, zinc amalgam and sodium amalgams are the best examples of the liquid in solid solutions. Okay, next. So what is the third one means here? Third one is so gas in liquid. Gas in liquid. Gas in liquid. Gas in solid solution. So gas in solid solution. So what is the best example for the gas in solid solution? In this one, gas is the solute and solid is solvent is nothing but solid. Okay. So what is the best example for this one means here? Palladium, catalytic catalyst we can call. What is mean by the catalyst? Do you have any idea, Aditi? What is mean by the catalyst?
So it is something that speeds up a reaction or
Very
slows it down.
okay. The foreign substance which alters the rate of reaction is called as a catalyst.
But
Either
it
it may
doesn't react with in the reaction, it just alters the speed.
here very good ma. Okay, the foreign substance which alters the rate of reaction without involving in a chemical reaction is called as a catalyst. Okay, either it may be increases the rate of reaction or either it may be decreases the rate of reaction. Okay, I think so already you studied about the some of the catalytic reactions because of in hydrocarbons also will get as a, some of the catalyst. Okay, reducing agents we can call metals are they act as a strong reducing agent. Okay, they convert the unsaturated hydrocarbons into saturated hydrocarbons. But how they are going to convert the unsaturated hydrocarbons into saturated hydrocarbons means because of they containing the hydrogen. Okay, that means hydrogen gas is going to be accumulate on the surface of the metals. Okay, which gas is going to be present on the surface of the metals means here hydrogen gas is going to be present on the surface of the metal. That hydrogen gas only we are using in the conversion of unsaturated hydrocarbons into saturated hydrocarbons. Now you got the clarity, Aditi? Got it or
Yes,
not?
yes, sir.
Okay, so that is about in all these three one. So what is the solvent we are taking means solid we had taken as a solvent. Okay, so that's why all these three are we can call as a solid solutions. Okay, and second one you can check it out. Second one is called as a liquid solution. Sir, why we are calling as a liquid solution means solvent it becomes as a liquid. When the solvent it becomes as a liquid means that kind of solutions are we can call as a so here liquid solutions. Again, liquid solutions are classified into three types. What are the liquid means here? Solid in liquid solution, liquid in solution, gas in liquid solution. Okay, in that one, first one. So what is the solid in liquid solution? What is mean the solid in liquid solution means sugar solution, salt solution is the best example of the solid in liquid solution. And liquid solution. What is the best example of the liquid solutions means alcohol in water. Okay, alcohol in water is one of the best example. And gas in liquid. So what is the example of the gas in liquid means here? So beverages, soft drinks and all we can call. Okay, so Pepsi, Coke, Thumbs Up. So all these are the best examples of here. Gas in liquid. Okay, all these are the best examples of here. Gas in liquid. So what is the best example? Means soda water also is the best example of the gas in liquid solution. Okay, so all these are the example of liquid solution.
So even the carbonated drinks, right?
Yes, but that is only carbonated drinks only we can call as a beverages. Okay, all soft drinks we can call as a beverages. Okay, 7-Up, Pepsi, Coke, Thumbs Up, all those are we can call as a beverages. All those are they contain the carbonated water only. Soda water is nothing but carbon dioxide is dissolved in the water. If the carbon dioxide is dissolved in a water, means that is only we can call as a soda water. How the carbon dioxide is present in the soda water means it is present in the form of carbonic acid. How it is present means yeah, it is present in the form of carbonic acid. Now you got the clarity, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the third one. So third one is called as a gaseous solutions. Okay, so third one we can call as a gaseous solution. Sir, what is mean by the gaseous solutions means here solvent it has to be gas. If the solvent is gas means that kind of solutions are we can call as a gaseous solution. Solute it may be solid, liquid and gas also it will be there. Okay, for example, solid and gaseous solution. What is the best example of the solid and gaseous solution means here? So camphor in air, naphthalene balls in air, okay, and dust particles in air. Dust particles also it is in air, carbon monoxide it is in air. All these are the examples of solid in gas and liquid in gas. So what is the liquid in gas means your moisture air. So moisture air is the best example of the liquid in air. Okay, and gas and gas. Atmospheric air is the example of here. So gas and gas solutions. Okay, now based on the solute and solvent, solutions are classified into total how many types, Aditi?
9 types.
Total 9 types here. Okay, so total how many types are there here? 9 types of the solutions are there. How the solutions are classified means based on the solute and solvent. Okay, again, based on the solvent, they given some solutions. For example, we are calling as a aqueous solution. Here only I am telling that. Okay, so we are calling as a aqueous solutions. We can call as a aqueous solution. So when we can call as aqueous solution, which we can call as aqueous solution? Aqueous solution. So many times we are studying about this term. Aqueous solutions we are calling in organic chemistry. Okay, in organic chemistry we will get as an aqueous solution.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is meant by the aqueous solution means? In this one, aqua means here. Okay, aqua. Aqua is nothing but water. If the water is present as a solvent, okay, if the water is present as a solvent means that kind of solutions are we can call as an aqueous solutions. Okay, now you got the clarity, Aditi? So which we can call
Yes.
as a aqueous solutions means here, if the solution is containing water as a solvent means that we can call as a aqueous solution. And alcoholic solutions also it is there. Alcoholic solutions.
Yes, sir. Alcoholic potash.
Okay, alcoholic potash. Okay, and what is the best example I can give? Body deodorants. Body deodorants.
Yes, sir.
So what is the solvent it will be there in body deodorants? Alcohol it will be there.
Alcohol.
Okay, so that's why that kind of that solutions are we can call as a alcoholic solutions. What is the alcoholic solutions means here? Alcohol it act as a solvent. Okay, the alcohol it act as a solvent with that kind of solutions are we can call as a alcoholic solutions. And ethereal solutions also we are calling ethereal solutions. So what is mean by the ethereal solutions means here? So the solutions which contain ether as a solvent. Okay, the solutions which contains ether as a solvent is called as a ethereal solutions. So now you got the clarity, Aditi? Okay, so we have a different types of the solution. Okay, based on the solute and solvent, generally solutions are classified into 9 types. Okay, excluding that one, based on the solvent, again solutions are classified into aqueous solutions, alcoholic solutions, and ethereal solutions. Now you got the clarity? Okay. So then we'll go for the solubility. Okay. Now we'll check it out. The next concept is here, solubility. Okay. Aditi, what is meant by the solubility?
So the rate of solubility, like, like getting dissolved in a solvent.
Which one is going to be soluble? What
So
is
the
this one?
solute.
Solute. Okay.
The
So
ability of the solute to get dissolved in a solvent is solubility. Like few substances are not soluble, few are partially soluble, and others are fully soluble.
fully soluble. Here, simply how we can define the solubility term means here, maximum amount of solute. Maximum amount of solute. Amount of solute dissolved in a solvent. Okay, maximum amount of solute dissolved in a solvent. Dissolved in solvent is called as a solubility. Okay, so maximum amount of the solute dissolved in a solvent is called as a solubility. Okay, and based on this one, based on the maximum amount. So we are taking as a amount of the solute present in a solvent. Okay, based on the amount of the solute present in a solvent also we can call as, again, solutions are classified into two types. So one is we can call as a dilute solutions. Okay, so one is we can call as a dilute solutions. So which we can call as a dilute solutions means here these solutions are contained. These solutions are contains less amount of solute, less amount of solute. Okay, so dilute solutions are contain less amount of the solute. That means, so solvent content it will be more and solute content it will be less. Okay, so the solutions which are having more solvent content and less solute content, with that kind of solutions are we can call as a so dilute solution. And concentrated solutions also it is there. So this we can see in lab, concentrated solutions. If you see in lab means here we can observe this kind of the solution. One is the dilute solutions we can write. They may be labeled also on the reagent bottles. Compulsory they labeled on the reagent bottles. Dilute solutions and concentrated solution. Sir, what is the concentrated solutions means here? The solutions which contains, the solution contains
More amount of solute.
more amount of the solute. Okay, more amount of solute, more amount of solute. So that kind of solutions are we can call as a concentrated solutions. Okay, again. So here again, based on the solubility, solutions are classified into three types. Based on the solubility, solutions are classified into three types. Based on solubility, solutions are classified into three types. Okay, so how many types, ma? Three types. So what are the three types of the solutions are there means here? One is called as a saturated solutions, saturated. Second one is unsaturated. Second one is unsaturated. So third one is super saturated. Super saturated. Okay, again, so based on the solubility, solutions are classified into three types. So what are the three types of the solutions we are having means here? Saturated solutions, unsaturated solutions, and super saturated solutions. So what is meant by the saturated solutions, Aditi? Do you have any idea?
So saturated where there is where that the solute is totally dissolved into the solvent.
Totally is dissolved. Huh?
Like there's not much amount of solute, but
No.
I can't get it into the words.
Aditi, for that one, can I give one example? Okay, so which food you like morely?
So we can say saturated is like mixing sugar into water, unsaturated is mixing sand into water, and super saturated is mixing more.
No, we can't take like that here. Okay, by taking the sugar only, we can say. With sugar only, these three terms we are going to be explained while preparing the sugar solution. Okay, so can I explain this one?
Yes, sir.
If you observed or not, I don't know exactly. So for that only, just before going to that one, just I want to ask something to you. Okay, so you like sweets or hot?
Both of them.
Both of you like. Okay, so then if you like sweets means, so what is your favorite sweet?
I don't know. Like I eat anything I get.
Okay,
It's
so
really sugary.
generally you can take any one. So just you tell me that any one of the sweet which you like more.
We'll go with gulab jamun since there is sugar in it.
Okay, so delicious it will be there, gulab jamuns. If I'll provide some, how many gulab jamuns you will eat? If I'll provide hardly.
Depends on the mood.
Depends upon mood. Of course, let us see, consider if you are in very good mood, you are feeling very happy. Okay. So if your mom is provided some gulab jamuns, okay. So how many you will eat? Generally,
4, 5?
4, 5. So you are telling that 5 is, let's consider it as a 5 is the maximum. Okay. 5 is the maximum. Even though you are in very happy mood, okay, but your capacity is you have only 5 gulab jamuns. Now I'm providing some 10 gulab jamuns, but your capacity is 5 only. Is it right? Is it
Yeah,
right, Aditi?
yeah,
Okay. Now, so after having the 5 gulab jamuns, you are feeling satisfied. You don't want to take more. Of course, if you like gulab jamun also. Is it right?
yeah,
So wherever you're getting as a satisfaction, that we can call as a saturated. Okay, so how we can define as a saturated means here, no more solute is dissolved in a solvent. Okay, if you give excess of sugar also, the sugar is not dissolved in a water.
it
At
is
that,
sediment down.
yes, yes. So that part only we can call as a saturated solution. That's that condition only we can call as a saturated solution. Okay, that condition only you can call as a saturated solution. Okay, but generally at home, whenever they are providing some sweet or something means, they'll keep only 2 gulab jamuns in a 1 cup because of cup capacity is like that. Is it right? So what the 2 or 3
It
pieces
will
they
be
keep it.
unsaturated because it's not dissolved, like
Very good.
solute
Okay.
is not added to the full capacity.
Full capacity. Okay, it is not full saturated. Say that condition only we can call as a unsaturated, and
And
super saturated is
supersaturated, when solute is excess solute is added to the solvent at particular conditions like high
very good,
temperature or
very good, very good, Aditi. Okay, so now here saturated means here no more solute is dissolved in a solvent is called as a saturated solution. Unsaturated means more solute is dissolved in a solvent is called as a unsaturated solution. And what is mean by the super saturated solution means here, so by increasing of the temperature, excess amount of the solute is dissolved in a solvent means that we can call as a super saturated solution. So what is the best example for the super saturated solution means here syrups. Syrups. Now you're telling that gulab jamun syrup. How they're preparing as a gulab jamun syrup? By
by
adding
boiling the
excess of
water.
water content, it will be less, and sugar content, it will be more in that one. Do you observe
Yes.
or not?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. At the same time, what are the cough syrups we are taking? Tuscu, Benadryl. Okay. In that syrups also, sugar content it will be more. Okay. So solvent content it will be less, and solute content it will be more. So all syrups are we can consider it as a super saturated solution. So now you got the clarity, Aditi? Okay.
Yes.
That. So we'll go for the concentration terms. Okay. So concentration terms are nothing but amount of the solute dissolved, amount of solute present in a solvent, or amount of solute dissolved in a solvent is called as a concentration. Concentration. Okay. So what is meant with the concentration means here the amount of the solute present in the solvent. The amount of the solute present in the solvent. Based on the amount of the solute present in the solvent, we have a different terms of the concentration. We have different terms of the concentration. Sir, what are the different terms of the concentrations we are having means here? So first one is weight by weight percentage. Weight by weight percentage. So what is the first term we are having means here? Weight by weight percentage. Sir, how we can define the weight by weight percentage means here? Weight of the solute. Weight of solute present in 100 grams of solution. 100 grams of solution. Okay, and we are calculating the percentage. Percentage means we have to multiply with 100. Okay, so how we can calculate, how we can explain the weight by weight percentage means here weight of the solute present in 100 grams of the solution into 100. Okay, so by using this formula, we can calculate the weight by weight percentage. Now you got the clarity. Okay, next, second one now. Weight by volume percentage. Weight by volume percentage. So what is meant by the weight by volume percentage means here weight of the solute, weight of solute present in 100 ml of solution, 100 ml of solution, 100 ml of solution. So we have to calculate the percentage. So that's why again we are multiplying with here 100. This is the one more formula. And what is the another formula we are having means here volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage. So what is mean the volume by volume percentage means here volume of the solute, volume of solute present in 100 ml of present in 100 ml of solution. Then we have to calculate the percentage. Percentage means we have to multiply with here 100. Okay. Next, parts per million. Next, parts per million. ppm. Fourth one is parts per million. ppm. So what is meant by the ppm? ppm is nothing but here
Mass of
parts.
solute by mass of solution into 10 power 6.
Very good, Aditi. Okay, so how we can define the parts per million means here? So parts per million is equal to mass of solute, mass of solute divided by so mass of solvent into 10 power 6. Okay, into 10 power 6. Actually, where we are using as a parts per million, so parts per million can be used so to explain the purity of the air. At the same time, parts per million can be used in the to explain the purity of the water also. So now you got the clarity here.
Yes, so we've already learned this all in basic concepts of chemistry.
Okay, so already basic concepts of chemistry, all you got it here, all these concentration terms and at all.
Yeah, certain relation between normality, molarity, and molarity, all of them.
Okay, so all of them, everything you got. Okay, so everything you got. Uh,
Yes,
next
we just completed the revision of that chapter day before yesterday.
day before yesterday they completed.
Like the revision in the college.
Okay, revision is going on there. Okay, so then remaining some concentration terms are there that we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, Aditi. So and relations, everything we can discuss. After discussing the concentration terms, based on that one, we can discuss some calculations which are important in the NEET level, so that is JEE level also. Okay, they're asking some calculations in the examination. So that calculations part, we will check it out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so but anyway, while coming in next class, just to prepare on that one here. And tomorrow exam, you have a qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Okay.
Only those two topics.
Only those two topics only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye, man. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.